Myself E. Lingappa. Now I am going to teach operating system subject, in which now I am going to explain what is an operating system, what are the objectives of operating system, and what are the functions of operating system. So here system software, application software, it is an operating system. So here this total software block. So here next, computer hardware. So here hardware, CPU, RAM, I/O devices, input and output. Next, user 1, user 2, user n. User n means multiple users. So this is an operating system block diagram. So it is an operating system block diagram. So here now I am going to explain what is an operating system. So here operating system is an operating system act as an interface between computer user and computer hardware. So here operating system is a system software. Operating system is a system software which performs all basic tasks like process management, like here process management, memory management, file management, disk management, and protection and security, input-output devices, and control the peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers. So it is an operating system performs. So here operating system performs. So what are the examples of operating systems? So examples of operating system means Linux is one kind of operating system, and Windows is one kind of operating system. So these operating systems we are used in computers. Suppose different kinds of operating systems are there in mobile devices. So what type of operating systems we are using in mobile devices means, so here KitKat or Marshmallow. So here different types of operating systems are there. What is the main purpose of this operating system means, this operating system provides an environment. In which environment user can execute programs in efficient and convenience manner. convenience or efficient manner. It is an operating system. So what is the main aim of this operating system? What is the main purpose of this operating system? Means operating system provides an environment in which environment user can execute programs in convenience and efficient manner. In convenience and efficient manner. It is an operating system. So what are the operating system examples? Means Linux and Windows is the examples of operating systems. Examples of operating systems. So here, what are the objectives of operating system means? So here, some operating system objectives are there. Operating system objectives are there. Operating system objectives. So what are the main objectives means? Convenience, efficiency, ability to evolve, So these three are the operating system objectives. So operating system objective means, so here convenience means an operating system makes computer more convenience to use the system, more convenience to users communicate with user friendly. User communicates with user friendly means, so here operating system makes computers more convenience to use. It is one objective of operating system. One objective of operating system. So next objective of operating system means efficiency. Next objective of operating system is an efficiency. So here operating system allows system resources. Operating system allows system resources is to be utilizing in efficient manner. So it is an efficiency is one operating system objective. So ability to evolve. So ability to evolve means, so here operating system permits new development, testing and introduction of system functions. Introduction of new system functions without interfering with service. So here how the operating system is ability to evolve means, suppose you can take Windows. Suppose you have to take Windows 7 is there. So in previous version of operating system is Windows 7. Now we are going to use Windows 10. So here while this operating system Windows 7 is ability to evolve means, how this operating system is permits to the development of and testing and new functions of operating systems. Without interference with service. Suppose we are using Windows 7, but parallelly operating system sometimes takes some updates. So while taking updates, our performance or system or program execution is not interfering. Means without interference with service. So it is an operating system objectives. So three are the operating system objectives: convenience, efficiency and ability to evolve. So convenience is nothing but an operating system makes more convenience to use. And efficiency means, so your operating system allows to computer resources to utilizing in efficient manner. Here ability to evolve means, here operating system permits the new development, testing and new functions of operating systems. Without interfering with service. These are the operating system objectives. So some operating system functions are there. So what are the operating system function means? Operating system functions. Operating system functions are there. So here process management, memory management, file management, file management, for the protection and security, protection and security, disk management, disk management, detecting the errors, detecting error avoids, and seventh one, system control the over system performance, control system over performance, like these are the operating system functions. These are the operating system functions. So here process management is one operating system function, and memory management is one operating system function, like file management, protection and security, disk management, and detection, error avoids, and controls the system over performance. Controls the system over performance. So it is an operating system. So here, what is an operating system? What are the objectives of operating system? What are the functions of operating system? So here now I am going to explain. So here, what is an operating system? So operating system is nothing but operating system is a system software. Is a system software which performs all basic tasks like process management, memory management, file management, production, and input output devices, and control the peripheral devices such as printers and disk drivers. So here operating system act as an interface between computer user and computer hardware. So what is the main purpose of this operating system? Means provides an environment. This operating system provides an environment in which user can execute the programs in convenience and efficient manner. Suppose you are using mobile device. In mobile device, you are going to install one application. So that application also one kind of operating system. So this application needs to communicate with mobile device hardware. How this application needs to communicate with mobile device hardware means through operating system only. So without operating system, user cannot execute any program, or any application cannot communicate with computer hardware. So it is an operating system. In our computer also, suppose we are going to anything we are going to editing, or suppose you are going to browsing some information. Suppose you are going to listening music. So all things, how we are going to perform these things means depends on operating system. So means this operating system controls the user activities and provides an environment. So it is an operating system. So here, what are the functions of operating system? Means process management, memory management, file management, and protection and security, disk management, detection and control system over the performance. So here these are the main functions of operating systems. So here next topic, next units we are going to discuss. Process management is one unit, and memory management is one unit, and file management, protection and security, and disk management. So these all are the operating system functions, main functions of the operating systems. You can observe. So here software, it is a hardware. So here computer hardware and computer software. So it is a user. So here user communicate. Suppose user wants to execute any process, or user want to execute any programming. in programming. So here main operating system provides an environment. Automatic store होता है.